I feel I've got to run away, I've got to get away, I've got to get away. Now I know I've got to run away, I've got to get away, but you don't really want any more for me to make things right. You need someone to hold you tight, and you think love is to pray, but I'm sorry I don't pray that way. This ain't love you give, and I give you all a boy could give. You take my tears, and that's not me. Tainted love, tainted love, tainted love, tainted love.
Day, nako, sabi ko nga, masungit talaga siya. Pero, pagka naman dumarating yung time na galit ako, ano siya, bumababa siya.
Hindi siya yung aasa, ganun, sa iba. Yun lang siguro yung nakalakihan niya. Kasi nga, nabuhay kami na kailangan namin maging independent. Kaya yun yung namulatan niya.
Strong siya, parang may patagong feeling siya. Ganon siya. Ganon yung ano ko sa kanya na hindi siya showy.
Masungit po talaga. Yun, number one, masungit. Pero mapagbigay talaga siya, kaso masungit lang. Mas madalas po yung masungit kaysa mabait.
Tinis ko yung maraming taon na hindi umuwi. Tapos inuwian ko yung debo niya. Ganon. Sabi ko sa kanya, malayo lang ako pero lagi akong support sa lahat. Soon, promise, uuwi na ako ng for good. Mag-i-stay na ako, ganon. Basta laging mong tatandaan na I'm so proud kung ano ka ngayon. Nandito ako kahit anong mangyari, tandaan mo yan, Day. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka ni Mami, ganon. And happy birthday.
So far past the clouds, you're not coming down. And it's just now sinking in that I don't wanna call it what it is. But if I had a spaceship, I'd fly where you are, go up to the place where you don't feel so.
Si ate, love ko siya sobra. Si ate lang kasi yung talagang sumbungan ko sa lahat. Pag hindi ako okay, kapag may problema kami nila mama, si ate lang lagi sinasabihan ko. Kaya love na love. Ate, sana bawasan yung pagkasungit and sana huwag masyadong mataray. Hindi nakakaganda yun, sis. Sana bumait ka na, please lang. Tanda na.
All this gravity and other detrimental things are keeping me from you, from my telescopic view. I'm jealous of Jupiter. You spend every night right next to her, while I'm stuck down here and all I see are stars. If I had a spaceship, I'd fly where you are, go up to the place where you don't feel so far. I'm trying to save this, but you're making it hard.
Happy birthday, Ate Denise! Pahirapan mo pa si Kuya Ate Denise.
Happy birthday, Denise!
I'd fly where you are, go up to the place where you don't feel so far. Floating face to face, we'd still be like years away. If I could get to where you are, would it change this? If I could get to where you are, would it change this? If I could get to where you are, would it change this? If I could get to where you are, would it change this? If I could get to where you are, would it change this?
Happy birthday, Denise! Mag-aral mabuti! Ipakabait!
Ate Denise, happy birthday. Sana anak, sana yung kung ano man ang na biyayang ibinibigay sa atin ngayon, deserve natin to dahil pinagpagura natin to. Ituloy lang ang pangarap, kaya yan. Go, go, go. I-push lang. Enjoy your day. Huwag ka man nang magjojowa. Pwede lang. Sa akin ko muna, please. Sorry. Yun lang.
It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking.
Hello, Ate! Happy birthday!
Denise, bilang isang tito, wish ko sa'yo, sana mag-aaral kang mabuti at huwag kang munang magbo-boyfriend at magpakabait ka lagi at wish ko lang sana good health. I love you!
We love you, Ate!
I love you.
I can see your halo. 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 I can see your halo.